It is Tuesday. It is the Tuesday after the long weekend here in Australia. I feel like all the travel has maybe just caught up to me because I am feeling sluggish. Very, very sluggish. Hey! Someone's had her hair cut again. She looks like a teddy bear. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. So I figured I wanted to start a weekly vlog for you guys. This week I miss doing weekly vlogs so much and I'm so excited to do this. It is literally my favorite video to film. These shorts are definitely too short. I like them though, good color, but just so short. Let's go work out this bootay. When I'm feeling sluggish and just so tired and out of it, I need to remind myself to drink water because I'm most likely also really dehydrated. I have had quite a lot of red wine on the weekend. Bottoms up. Hello, Daisy.
Thank you. Bottoms up.
Bottoms up. Ready? So fun. Annabelle's not going to be happy about this, is she? I'll just leave it that way. It's the size of her. So I'm just coming up into my makeup room. This is where I film the videos, which you guys seem to hate. You hate the lighting of, but this is the little room so far. I've sort of just set up a few little shelves. But I just did my makeup on the weekends. I'm going to put my stuff away. These are my drawers. I hate that it's not good enough lighting up here for you guys because I feel like it's such a perfect little space to film videos in. I feel like it's fine. I think I like my lighting a bit darker. I don't like it to be like so overexposed, but let me know if this lighting's better because I have opened up both blinds now and it should be a little lighter up here. I also was filming all my other videos like with my sister and Daisy in the afternoon. Hey babe.
Hey babe.
How are you?
Thanks for that message.
That's okay.
That's nice. It really brightened up my morning.
Well, I thought you might have needed it.
I'll speak to you a bit later this afternoon.
Okay, talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye. I actually really like it up here now that I've got like a few shelves. Like the shelves are so random, like some are white and some are brown. Like I need to paint them. I head to the gym. I actually am trying out this thing called Cryo before the gym because I'm so low in energy. Listening to Shameless. I'm just making some lunch before I leave. I've got 2 pieces of toast and I've got half an avocado and I'm going to put some Vegemite. Such a good combo.
That I will
Yum.
eat.
So I just did the cryo. I went and stood in a chamber which was at minus 130 degrees Celsius. Basically what cryo is supposed to freeze your body at its core for I think it's like 3 minutes. And then when you step out, it just pumps blood back into your core. It's really healing, it's really energizing, really good for your muscles, really good, I guess, for your metabolism. You guys will have to Google it if you want to know a bit more about it, but if you're curious, I went to cryo in Edgecliff. So now I'm going to go to the gym. I actually do fully feel like I have more energy now. I was literally sitting in the car before I went in. I was like, I'm so tired. Like it did do something. I feel far more energized. If anything, I just feel really like it was freezing and it just made me feel really like tingly. So I'm gonna head to the gym now. I'll record my training session and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store, buy a bit of fish. I think I'm gonna cook some fish for dinner tonight to be healthy. Hello, Max. This is Max.
2. Yes. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Got there.
Oh. You good girl? I's a good girl. Well, the weather has dramatically changed outside. The wind has really picked up and it looks like it's about to storm. So it's gonna be a stormy old Tuesday, I think. I just went to the fish shop and got some snapper. So I'm gonna cook Nick and I some snapper tonight because Daisy's at uni and we're gonna watch Love Island because Love Island started. It's funny because I hate when that happens. It's because I haven't been like weekly vlogging for a while. I keep forgetting to vlog, so I haven't updated you guys.
Out of the groove.
Yeah, out of my groove. Last night I came home feeling really sick. I felt like I was going to throw up the whole night, so I didn't talk to you guys last night. But I'm off to the dry cleaners. I'm going to put a dress into the dry cleaners. Daisy's here. We're going to grab a coffee. Daisy's not feeling very well. She's very sick. And then I've just got a bunch of stuff on. I've got to drop some parcels to the post office and prepare my office a little bit for some meetings tomorrow. Hey, how are you?
Hi, hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. Just got another dress to drop in.
Dry clean?
Yes, please. I got a coffee the other day and I didn't want to drink it. You were there when you went home. I didn't drink my coffee until 4 hours later and it was still hot. So if you guys are like me and you're really slow coffee drinkers, get this Frank Green one because if you just close the top, it's literally like a thermos. Why is my camera always so dark? This is just not good. It's like a thermos and it just keeps your coffee hot all day. I don't know if that would be a good thing, if it's good for you. You can keep milk for a while, can't you? I'm now at the grocery store. I'm gonna buy some wraps for our fish tacos tonight. We didn't end up having them last night because I got really sick, so I just had some plain rice and stuff last night. But I'm gonna cook barramundi tacos with like chipotle sauce and some like spring onions and lettuce and stuff. I'm not gluten free, but I like the wraps to be small, so. It's been a little while since I checked in. I'm gonna cook some dinner now. It is almost 5:30 and Nick will get home at 6 and we're gonna have an early dinner. I ended up just buying this one night in Mexico kit. This has smoky chipotle chicken taco kit, but we're gonna do it with barramundi. And so I'm just gonna put the spices on the fish and then we'll put the chipotle sauce in the wraps. I ended up getting these wraps. These are sweet potato wraps. How weird is that? So I'll try them and let you know how they go. It's gluten and wheat free. I decided it was a little bit too premature to start cooking at 5 p.m. so it's now 6 p.m. I'm going to start by just preparing a little bit of the salsa. So I'm going to make capsicum, tomato, onion, spring onion, and like a red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, lemon sort of salsa, really like tangy. And then I'm just going to like dice up the lettuce and just begin to cook.
Down here, nice.
Fish. Chipotle.
Chipotle.
Such a good girlfriend.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well done.
That's a lot of sauce.
Is it gonna kill me? You look after me.
Oh, that noise. Oh, that gave me the goosebumps. The fish now, I've put the taco chipotle sauce on it. I'm gonna put some lemon on it. I've preheated the pan. I'm gonna put some oil in there. Well, I already have put some oil in there. And now I'm just gonna squeeze a bunch of lemon.
Should we just start with exciting?
Exciting.
You say hello?
Now we need to microwave our wraps.
Okay.
We've got our salsa, our sauce, lettuce, onion, everything, and there's our fish.
Show a lot of properties. Meet some people. See if they want to buy them. They did not.
Thoughts?
That was incredible.
Thank you.
Well done, Sam.
Yummy.
Yum.
Okay, so I know this is supposed to be getting my health back on track type video, but these Betty Crocker cookies, if you ever want the yummiest cookies of all time, these are the absolute best. They're honestly my childhood. We used to make them all the time. Woohoo! Yum. I like them to be a little undercooked, nice and soft. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday everyone. Why is my camera so shit? I need a new camera so badly. The focus on this camera sucks. I'm just making some oats with some cinnamon, bit of sugar. Today is a good day. It's an exciting day. Can't show you a lot of today. Actually, I can't show you probably like 12 hours of today, but Georgie and I are going to pick a giveaway winner and announce it in this video. I'll DM you on Instagram. Plus, we'll probably announce another giveaway in this video. Alright, so we're in the office today. Georgie is here. Hey, Georgie. We will check in with you guys later on the Salvo. After we've got a bit of work done, we will choose a giveaway winner. I might announce it then on my Instagram because I'm looking a little rough. But I do have the girls' accounts. I'll show you now. We have Shernsky. I'm not going to be able to pronounce these names. You are our winner. We have Matilda. You are our winner. And we have Vanessa Cloud. Cuckoo. You are also a winner. So we've got 3 winners, but head to my Instagram because I'm doing these giveaways from Instagram. But I sort of announce what I want you guys to leave down below on my Instagram. So make sure you go head there, chuck me a follow. There'll be 3 more of you to win from this video. Bye. Bye.
Oh man. You guys saw around?
No, I saw Nick. Saw Nick.
Saw Nick?
My neck's sore. Alright, we've got the last one. This light bulb just here. And then we're all done. Alright, I'm gonna lodge you up. So we've bought baskets and we're placing holes in them. You always catch me vlogging.
Seriously, always. And who are you talking to?
And you just...
That was awesome.
How good does it look? So much better. So this is the end result. So as you can see, we've just bought a bunch of baskets and we've just chopped a little hole in the bottom, a little cross X, and you just place it through. DIY lanterns, so you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on your lights. It's only little $20 baskets. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon.